Hi, it's Owen Hedrick here. We're gonna have a new episode of Park Press today, but before we do that, Max has decided to become famous, and this is gonna be funny. And this is literally what Max does all summer. I know, it's funny. Yeah, this is literally what he's been doing. He's been singing songs, and now he's literally famous, and he's so cool, and he is really tired of people chasing him around. So yeah, this is Max.